this is Mitsuki and my channel is all about sleep. To sleep well, we have to eat well, right? And that's why I'm on a low-carb diet and it is working really well on me. So today I'm introducing the low-carb Japanese recipe. And today I'll introduce how to make Kinako. Kinako is a flour made from roasted soybeans. It is known in Japan as hatake no niku, which means the meat of the field. Why? Why meat of the field? Because it is super nutritious. Alrighty, Kinako contains plant-based protein with many other important substances such as soy isoflavones, soy saponins, and dietary fiber. Kinako basically contains all the nutrients your body needs except for the vitamin C. Cool, right? But namely, it is rich in tryptophan and vitamin B. These two plays a significant role for your sleep. Tryptophan is one of an essential amino acids which can be converted into serotonin during the day and melatonin at night. And melatonin is often referred to as the sleep hormone. Serotonin influences sleep, cognition, and mood, while melatonin also improves your sleep. And to produce them, we need tryptophan. So, tryptophan is amazing! Yay! But your body cannot produce tryptophan, so you must get it from your diet. And vitamin B helps your body to produce both melatonin and serotonin well. It is a great source for both tryptophan and vitamin B. And that's why Kinako is amazing. Oh, by the way, in Japan, Kinako is often eaten with mochi, rice cake, and sugar. So if you eat it with sugar and mochi, it wouldn't be low carb, obviously, so please be careful. Okay, now let's make Kinako. What you need is dried soybeans, and you roast them. You have to stir it sometimes so that soybeans wouldn't get burned. They look like burned. I get a feeling that I roasted them too long. Anyways, I'll grind them now. Its color is too brownish. Okay, this is what happens when you fail. As you can see, the process itself is very simple. You just have to roast them. But the simple dish is actually very hard to cook, I think. But don't worry, I could still eat them. I wouldn't waste them. That's too mottainai. As I failed, I tried again. This time I roasted them for about 10 minutes on very low heat. Let's see how it worked out this time. It tasted like... Whoa! I kinda failed again. I'll still eat them all, don't worry. First, I roasted them for 7 minutes on medium heat, and then they got burned. And I tried again. I roasted for about 10 minutes on very low heat. They tasted like raw soybeans. So it should work out well if you roast them about 5 minutes on medium heat or about 13 minutes on very low heat, theoretically. Today I introduced Kinako, how to make Kinako. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. Bye. Good night.